Assalamu alaikum. In today's lessons, we're gonna practice the huruf, beginning, middle, and end. And also we're gonna practice the harakat, fatha, damma, kasra, sukun. And we're gonna practice med as well. Okay? And the best thing to learn Arabic is write it. If you don't write, you're just wasting your time. You need to write. Okay? So let's start. So today we're gonna do this first category. Meaning what? If you know how to write ba in the middle, beginning, middle, and end, ta and tha is the same thing. Okay, so look at this here. Ba, like this, ba, and this is ta in the beginning, and this is tha. So the base, which is this, is always the same. The only thing that it changes is the dots. Ba and ta and tha. Okay, middle is the same thing, and the end is the same thing. Okay, the only difference between all these three is the ta. There is three ways to write ta at the end. This one here and this one, there is a rule. We're gonna go. I will teach you guys the rule, but not now. Okay, this one here, it's easy. This one always comes after alif. Okay, remember, after alif, there is always this ta. That's when we write it. And this ta, you can write it like this or like this. Okay, it's your choice. But in order for you to start writing Arabic, okay, and understanding all these beginning, middle, end, and the way how harf change from here to here to here, here is the trick. This, you need to know this map. So what you're gonna do, I want you guys to write it down. So this is the huruf in the beginning, okay, and the pink, the white, middle, and yellow is at the end. So each harf, you have it in front of you right now, each harf. So this piece of this map here, try to write it in a piece of paper. It's always gonna be in front of you when you write, okay. And in this case, I guarantee you, after maybe couple days, couple of weeks, this will be in your head. With practice, of course. Practice this by writing words. And the blue ones are just the regular huruf. The only difference I want to pay attention to, in this map, the one with the circle. The one with this circle, never connect them from the left. Okay? Never connect them from the left. Which means, you see this dash here? That's what we use to connect the huruf to each other. So dal, so there is al-hamza and there is alif. Never add dash like this. Dal, same thing. Dal, ra, za, and waw. Okay? And the good thing is, if you look at these, the middle and the end is always the same. Okay? It's always the same. So remember again, never connect this huruf from the left. Okay? Then the second thing you need to know to master is this. You have to know the fatha with the sound a. Okay? Damma with the sound o. Kasra, sukun, fathatain, dammatain, kasratain, and shadda. And this one's in here, this is med. What it means med? If you look, we have three huruf of med. We have alif, and we have waw, and we have ya. Okay? We have alif, and we have waw, and we have ya. Okay? And this huruf of med, always remember this. If you have alif, the harf before it, the harf that goes here, is always with fatha. And the waw, the harf that goes before waw is always with damma. And yeah, the harf that goes here before it is always with kasra. For example, I'm gonna put ba. See, ba. This harf is for med. What it means med? Elongating. So I'm elongating ba. So this one here is ba. Okay, this one here is ta. But when you add alif, this will be ta, ba. Okay, ma, ra. Okay. Then same thing with wow. For example, boo, be, or be. Okay, be, to, t. Okay, this is what we mean about elongating. Of all this, we're gonna practice these rules in the words. So let's start. The first word, borjun. Borjun. Okay, so the way how we write this, so you have that in the beginning, then you have ra. Remember, ra, never put anything in here. Then, because of jim, always the harf that comes after ra, we have to write it, if it's at the end, in the beginning, not the beginning, in the natural form. This is natural form. Okay, borjun. Okay, so that, bu, ra, with sukun, bor. Never try, by the way, never try to pronounce this by itself. It's hard, and no Arabic words starts with sukun. So sukun, to pronounce the sukun, always you need the harf before it. Okay, so bor, see how it's easy right now, bor. Then you add jim, borjun. So here, this is this shadda here. I mean, sorry, the dash. Okay, but when you start writing, you don't do this. That, then you add the dash, then ra. It will be automatically. Look. Okay, just make it a little bit long. Okay, the next one, tabbahun. Tabbahun. So the huruf ta, ba, alif, and kha. Kha comes from the throat. Kha. So ta is like this. Ta in the beginning. Then I'm gonna add ba in the middle with shadda. Okay, so this one here and this one are here automatically. Okay, then we have med. Okay, tabbahun. Khun. Tabbahun. And by the way, the more you write, the more you're gonna have a good handwriting. Okay, the next word, halibun. So we have ha, lam, ya, and ba. Halibun. So ha, here is the thing. Pay attention to this. Ha is like this. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna get rid of this part in here. Okay, in the beginning, and the way how I'm gonna write it is, look. Okay, I'm gonna bring this one here like this. Ha, din lam, din ya, din bun, which is this one at the end. And this ya, don't pronounce this ya. Don't try to fight to pronounce this ya. No, this ya is to elongate this harf in here. Halibun. So this one is for here. Halibun. That's what, that when we talk about elongation, it's the harf before ya or alif or waw. We elongate it. We make it sound a or u or e. The next word, tutun. Tutun. We have ta and we have waw and we have ta again. So ta at the beginning, then waw. Tu, u, tun. Tutun. Tutun. The next one, miftahun. So we have mim, we have fa, we have ta, we have alif, and we have ha. Okay, so me, here is the meme. Okay, so meme is like this. What you do in the beginning, you get rid of this, the bottom one. And you can write it like this, or you can write it like this, or you can write it like this. Okay, it's your choice. The more you practice, the more all this is going to be easy for you. So me, din fa, okay, fa in the middle, din ta, but guess what? Ta, ta, we don't pronounce this. So ta, hun, miftahun, miftahun. The next one, we're gonna practice in here. Ta, we have, here is the first one, here is the second one, and here is the third one. So the huruf we are using in here are mim, ba, ra, alif, ta, ya, fa, kaf, ain. Please make sure you pronounce this right, not ain, ain. No, ain, ain, ain. This one comes from the middle of the throat. Ain. So ha and ain is same position. Go to my video and you will see what I'm talking about if you didn't understand it. So here, look at the first one. Mi, b, ra, tun. See the ta? Remember what we said in here? We said this after alif. After alif. Why? Because you cannot connect alif with ta in here. Never connect anything with alif. So the only time you write this kind of ta if it's before alif. Okay? Understood? Now we're gonna go to the next word. Ka, katun. Ka, katun. Ka, ain. Ka, katun. So kaf. Okay, ain. Remember, okay, look at this. Ain is like this. Okay? So ain, just like in the beginning, like ha and kha and jim. Get rid of this. And what you do? Ain, like this. Instead going this way, you come here. Ain. But in the middle is like this. Look, it's like we are making a triangle. Okay, like this. Okay, like this again. You don't have to be perfect at the beginning. It will come step by step, day by day, just to make sure you're practicing. Okay, so here, ain, ain. So ka, tun. Okay, katun, katun. So we are using this ta. Later on, we will give you a rule to see the difference between this ta in here and this ta. When do you write this ta, what we call ta marbota, and this one here we call it ta mabsota. So you just remember there is closed ta and open ta. Closed and open. Okay, then the other one is ba. Okay, ba in the beginning, baytun. Okay, ba, tun. Okay, then next word, tha. Listen, this one you have to know how to pronounce this very. Look, if you fight with it a little bit, you're gonna get it. This is the pronunciation of this. And this one here, remember, same as that. If you go to my video, you will see how I pronounce this. So this is tha. So your tongue is coming out, but it's between your upper and lower front teeth. Tha, tha. And this one here is dhal, 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 and this one here is tha, tha. So this one here is th, thumb, thumrun, 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 just like that. So thumrun, thumrun. The next one, timthalun, timthalun. Pay attention to the pronunciation of th. Okay, practice and practice and practice, you will get it. So the first one is ta, ta, ti, tim, tim, tha. Okay, this one is tim tha, but because we have alif, we say tim tha, tim tha. You elongate the tha. Okay, you don't elongate the alif. No, you are only elongating the harf before the alif. Okay, tha, ba, ra, za, timthalun, timthalun. The next one is hadithun, hadithun. Again, we have here ha, we have del, we have ya, and we have sa, sa. So for ha, it's like this, ha. So instead, this, we are taking this off. Ha, di, di. So elongating, we are elongating the dal. Okay, hadithun, thun, not hadithun. Hadithun is completely what if you said hadithun, you are pronouncing this one hadithun. This is hadithun. No, and this is completely different than this. Okay, so hadithun, hadithun. Okay, so remember, practice and practice and practice, and I guarantee you in couple weeks, okay, you will be able to read correctly and write correctly, because there's a lot of people, they when they read, you can hear a lot of mistakes. Why? Because the way how they learn it from the beginning, it was wrong. And I will see you guys on the next video.